Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Hindi music. To know how to fix Instagram Hindi music, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click settings. Then in this page you will go to apps, default app settings. Then in this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. Then in this page you will go to force stop, and when you will end this you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.